Welcome friends to the perfect learning. Today we are going to start the sixth part of the mathematics polynomials. Okay. In today's class we are going to discuss about remainder theorem and next we will solve the exercise 2.3. First of all, remainder theorem. Let p of x, any polynomial of degree greater than 1 or equal to 1. Think that p of x is any polynomial that is which degree is greater than equal to 1 or greater than 1, and let a be an real number. Assume that let a be an real number. P of x is divided by linear polynomial x minus a, then a remainder is p of a. I will be explaining how this is in the next slide. Come to the next slide. Next, by division rule, p of x is equal to x minus a q into x plus r. When we have to find dividend, we have to multiply divisor and quotient, and we have to add the remainder. To find dividend, we have to multiply divisor and quotient first step, and with that product we have to add the remainder. Okay, keep it in your mind. Next example. Okay, we will discuss an example. Divide p of x by g of x. Let p of x is equal to 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. Let g of x is equal to x plus 1. We should divide p of x by g of x. Okay, let's solve now the example p of x divided by g of x. So when we multiply x into 3x square, the answer is 3x cube. X into 3x square is nothing but 3x square. Here symbol changes, minus 3x cube. Now minus 3x cube. We should not discriminate here, friends. When we multiplied x into 3x square, we have to multiply with this number 1 also. We should not discriminate in this problem or upcoming problems. Okay, 1 into 3x square is 3x square. Anything multiplied with number 1 is number itself, so plus 3x square. When we minus 3x square, it will be get cancelled, and plus x square minus 3x square, here symbol changes, and the answer is minus 2x square. This 2x square will come downside and plus 2x. Okay, now x into minus 2x, x into minus 2x is minus 2x and minus 2x, and now 1 into minus 2x is minus 2x, and here it will become plus. Okay, this minus 2x, this here symbol changes, it become plus. This minus 2x plus 2x square will be get cancelled. Okay, plus 2x and plus 2x will become 4x, and this 5 will come downside. Now we have to get as 4x, so we will multiply x into plus 4 and it will become 4x, and symbol changes, it will become as minus 4x, minus 4x. Okay, symbol changes and it becomes minus 4x, and when we multiply 1 into plus 4 and it becomes minus 4. Oh, plus 4 and symbol changes becomes minus 4. This 4x and minus 4x will get cancelled when we subtract plus 5 or plus 4 from plus 5. The answer is 1. Means the remainder is 1. You understood? Okay. Now, okay, before going to the next slide, I will be telling the answer of the riddle that I had asked in the previous class of biology. What is full of holes still holds water? What is full of holes but still holds water? The answer is sponge. Okay, guys, we will move to the next topic, that is now we solve by remainder method. That only p of x divided by g of x we will solve in this slide by remainder method. How we should apply remainder method? Okay, p of x is 3x square plus x minus 1, and if they give as x plus 1, then x value will become as, wait, and x value will become as minus 1. Put the value of x wherever the x is there, put the value of x is equal to minus 1, and further you solve. Okay, this minus 1 square is 1, and plus into minus is minus 3 minus 1 minus 1, and 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. Final answer, we got it. Okay friends, understood? We will move to the next topic. Did not understood means you can message or you can mail your doubts to given Gmail ID. I gave the Gmail ID, my Gmail ID in the description box. You can go and check. Okay. Next, exercise 2.3. We will solve exercise 2.3. Come friends.
Okay friends, the exercise 2.3 question number 1, that is we have to find the remainder when we should divide as x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. We should divide this equation by x plus 1, x minus 1 by 2, x plus pi, and 5 plus 2x. First problem we will solve by dividing this equation by x plus 1. Okay, right hand, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Okay, now we should divide it by remainder method. I already explained how to solve this like problems using remainder method in what in before slides. Okay, this x plus 1 and is equal to 0. When this plus 1 will comes here, it will become as minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Now p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. It is nothing but this equation, and put the value as minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 cube plus 3 minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 and plus 1. Okay, this is the second step. Third step, we have to solve further. Minus 1 cube is minus 1, and minus 1 square is plus 1, and 3 into plus 1 is plus 3. Plus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, and finally the plus 1 as it is. This plus 3 and this minus 3 get cancelled, and minus 1 plus 1 will be remaining. This minus 1, this plus 1 will be get cancelled. Final, we got the remainder as 0. P of minus 1 is equal to 0. We got the remainder as 0. When we divide this equation by x plus 1, we will be getting remainder as 0. The next problem is x is equal to what? X minus 1 by 2, not x is equal to x minus 1 by 2. The equation is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. This is the equation. We should divide this equation by this x minus 1 by 2. This x minus 1 by 2 can be written as x is equal to plus 1 by 2. This minus 1 2 will become as plus 1 by 2, and further solve it. P of value as 1 by 2, and put the value wherever the x is present as 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 cube plus 3x, sorry, 3 1 by 2 square. 3 1 by 2 square plus 3 into 1 by 2 and plus 1. Now 1 cube is 1 cube is 1 and 2 cube is 8. 1 cube is 1 and 2 cube is 8. And 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. Next step is 3 into 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2 plus 1. The next step 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. The denominator will be 1. When we take the LCM of 8, 4, 2, the LCM of these three numbers will become as 8. And next into 2 into 4. 1 plus 3 2 ja 6 plus 3 4 ja 12, and this is into 8, and finally plus 8. The last answer is 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 2 12 19, 19 plus 8 is 27. We got the remainder as 27 by 8. P of 1 by 2 is equal to 27 by 8. The remainder is 27 by 8. Now the third problem they gave. Third problem. Third problem is x plus pi. X plus pi is equal to 0. The next step, x is equal to minus pi. This plus pi will comes here. Put the value wherever the x is present. Now write as p of minus pi and is equal to minus pi cube plus 3 minus pi square plus 3 into minus pi. Okay, you are not seeing the screen. Wait 1 second. Okay, now and 3 into minus pi plus 1. The next step is equal to minus pi cube is minus pi cube, minus pi square is pi square, and final answer is 3 pi square, and plus 3 into minus pi is minus 3 pi, and finally plus 1. Okay, what we got? X minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. This is the remainder. Okay, this is the remainder. The next problem. The next problem is 5 plus 2x. The 5 plus 2x. Now we have to find the value of x is equal to 0, and 2x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to minus 5 divided by 2. We got the value of x. Further solving, p of minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2 cube plus 3 minus 5 by 2 square plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 and plus 1. Now minus 5 cube is minus 125 and 2 cube is 8. Now minus 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4. We have to multiply by 3, and last minus 15 by 2 and plus 1. Okay, 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. Now we have to find the LCM of these three numbers. The LCM is 8. Okay, the LCM is 8. The next step is this 3 into 25 will become this 75 by 4. Okay, 3 into 25 is 75. 75 divided by 4, and 4 2 ja 8. 4 2 ja 8, and 2 4 ja 8, and 1 8 ja 8. Minus 20 125 plus 75 into 2, 3 into 25 75, 75 into 2, multiply 75 into 2, 75 into 2 is 170, and minus 15 into 4 is minus 15 into 4, that is 60, minus 60, and finally 1 edge 8. Further solve it. First we will separate like terms and unlike terms. Okay, we will separate like terms one side. 125 minus 60 plus 170 plus 8 by 8. 125 minus 60, it will be as 180 minus 185. This will be plus 178 divided by 8. Now the final answer is, we will subtract here. Okay, 185 minus 178, that is 15 minus 8, 7, this 70, and the answer is 7 by 8. Oh no, we had made a mistake. What? 75 to j is not 170, it is 150. Okay, 150. Write it as 150. And 185 minus 158 is equal to minus 27 by 8. You can check.
Okay, first problem we had solved. Now it's time to solve second problem. Find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Okay, we will solve in the next slide this problem. Come to the next slide, friends.
The next second problem of the exercise 2.3 is, the second problem of exercise 2.3 is, when we divide x cube minus ax square plus 6x square minus a divided by x minus a, what is the remainder? This is the question of exercise 2.3. Let's solve it. And let the x value be as x minus a is equal to 0, x is equal to a. The value of x is a. P of x is equal to x cube minus ax square plus 6x square minus a. Now further solve it. Put the value of x as a. We got the value of x is equal to a, so we have to put the value of wherever the x is present, we have to put the value as a. Now further solve. P of a is equal to a cube minus a into a square plus 6 into a square minus a. Further solving, a cube is a cube, and next my a square is a square and minus a cube, it will become a cube, and next plus 6a square minus a. Finally, here the square is not present. What a mistake is happening today. Cancel these squares and this square also, and this plus a cube and minus a cube will get cancelled, and final answer 6a minus a is equal to 5a. The remainder of this problem is 5a. When we divide this equation by x minus a, we will get the remainder as 5a. Okay, next third problem.
We have solved the second problem. Now the time is to solve third problem. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. We have to check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Okay, we have to check this is a factor of this equation is or not. Okay, we come friends, we will solve that. We will crack it. Come, let's move.
The third problem is, we have to find whether the 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Okay, this is the third question. Solution, we have to whether find this is the factor of this equation or not. So this 7 plus 3x is equal to 0, and 3x is equal to minus 7x plus 7x becomes minus 7x. Next step, x is equal to minus 7 by 3. We got the answer of x is equal to minus 7 by 3. Further, we have to solve by putting the value of wherever the x is present. We have to put the value as minus 7 by 3. Further solving, 3 into minus 7 by 3 whole cube plus 7 into minus 7 into 3. Okay, this is the equation. Further solving, after multiplying, it will become as minus 343 by 9 plus of minus 49 by 3. Okay, after multiplying, the answer will become this like. Okay, here we should get the remainder as same. We can see here the reminders are not same. Okay, we should put, when we find the LCM of these two numbers, we will get the denominator as 9 or LCM as 9. Further solving, into 3, minus 49 into 3, minus 343 minus 147. When we multiply minus 49 into 3, the answer is minus 147. And finally, when we solve it, the answer will become as minus 490 divided by 9, which is not equal to 0. Whenever we divide something, and okay, I will explain you. When we divide 6 by 3, okay, 3 2 just 6, the remainder will become 0. Then the factor of 6 are 3 and 2. We can find easily. When we got the remainder as 0, we can find the factors. Same as here, it is not equal to 0. So this 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 3x. Okay, in the next part of my mathematics video, I will explain you about factor theorem. Okay, bye bye, tata, see you guys.
Okay, friends, finally, thanks for watching. Like the video, share the video to your friends, and did not subscribe, means subscribe the video first.